in this video. Hello everybody, and welcome to the 39th video on the channel. This is another geometry theorem, and since we have no answers to our previous questions, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and let's move on to the lesson. Today's lesson is about intersecting chords. If you remember from our circle terminology video, a chord is when we connect two random points on a circle with a line. If we have two chords, A, B, and C, D, and they intersect at a point E, the length AE times the length BE is equal to the length CE times the length DE. And if you're wondering what the O in the middle is, that's just the center of the circle. I really put it there. You don't really need it for this theorem. So this is about the length, and remember, since there's no arrows and there's a line on top, that means line segment or chord. Let's move on to the examples. For today, we have two examples. I'm going to solve both of them for you and show you how to do it. Since this theorem is very simple, you won't really be needing much. But there is a more complicated version and is a more generalized form, but we don't really need that right now. So what we have is we want to find length CE, where AE is equal to 6, DE is equal to 4, and BE is equal to 2. So if you remember, AE times BE is equal to DE times CE. So AE times BE is 6 times 2. I accidentally put this on the wrong thickness, sorry. We have AE times BE, it's 6 times 2, is equal to 4, which is DE, times CE. So if you do the math, you get CE is equal to 3. So the answer to our question is CE is equal to 3. For our second problem, it is the exact same thing. Instead of CE, it's BE, and the points and the lengths are different. Again, if we use the same thing, we have AE times BE, which is essentially BE times 1, is equal to 5 times 1 because DE times CE. So if you divide everything out, you get BE is equal to 5. And that's our second answer. Let's move on to the practice problems. For today, we have one practice problem, and we're trying to find DE, where we have AE is equal to 4, BE is equal to 6, and CE is equal to 3. See you in the next one. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching.